Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'd like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. This vehicle features a 77 kWh battery producing 204 PS. This example is finished in the lovely energetic orange metallic paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of the IQ LED matrix headlights as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 18-inch steel wheels. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear loading barn doors. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, this ID Buzz also features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up those doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes with multiple load lashing rings dotted across the load area floor, and access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. This ID Buzz also features a retractable tow bar with an electric release. This provides a lot of versatility for towing options. Access into the rear area can be found on either side of the vehicle, and there is a handy storage compartment on the driver's side sliding door for your electric charging cables. Up in the driver's cockpit area we'll find a total of 3 seats providing comfort, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as access a variety of different vehicle menus and settings. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some charging points and cup holders, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.